Headlight bulb replacement, passenger side. Same thing applies for the driver side on this 2018 Mercedes C300. We're going to be removing the access panel to the back of the headlight. What you want to do is lift the car up and move the tire all the way to the left. That way you have a little bit of access here. It is a little bit easier to remove the tire completely, but it's not necessary. Then you're going to pop off the cover. You're going to turn these little tabs right here with the flathead screwdriver. They go back and forth like that. This is what the back of the headlights look like. This is the headlight right here. There is a cover that goes right here you have to remove. So basically you turn it counterclockwise and you pop it off. And there's the low beam right here as well. And we're going to remove the headlight. So now that we have the headlight here, we're going to go ahead and turn it clockwise to take out the bulb. Okay? So now that it's out, we're going to remove the headlight bulb. You basically have to separate it from the base. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You have to go in between the base of the bulb and the base of the bottom part connector, and you basically just spread it out and you remove the bulb, because the bulb just presses into that bottom socket. Like that. Okay, so you see the spades, you see the connector there. Now to replace it, obviously you get the brand new bulb, you put it in. Now there is an orientation. You see this little tab that goes on the bottom, that goes with this tab on the bottom of here, of the connector. Okay. You make sure it's all the way down and flush with the connector base. Okay, make sure it goes all the way around. Now that it's on, you can test this by turning on the headlight and just make sure the bulb works. So let me go turn the headlights on. Actually, it won't turn on unless it's grounded, I believe. Yeah, it won't turn on unless it's grounded and installed. Okay, to put it back in, you basically do the exact same thing. You put it into the hole and you turn it clockwise, and then it'll snap. And then you put the covers back on, the first one, and then when you put the cover on the access panel here and here on this side. You basically have to like slide it, like push in and then down. Okay, and then you twist these things. This one fell out, but there you go. Twist it, and you're all done. And that's how you replace the headlight bulb on a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300.